Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create shutdown shortcut on desktop in Windows 10. So there is one simple method that I recommend you to use. First, we need to click right mouse button somewhere in the desktop. For example, I will click here, and then I go to New and I go to Shortcut. Then we will be asked what item would you like to create a shortcut for. Of course, we are interested in to create shutdown shortcut, so on type the location of the item, I will type this one command. It is shutdown/s/t and 0. You can find this command in description of this video. Okay, so now we need to click next button and you need to type here a name for this shortcut. It may be shutdown or any other name. I will set it on default and then I press finish button, and how you see shortcut has been successfully created here. Of course, we can change icon for this command, so I click right mouse button here, then I go to properties. Now we need to go to shortcut tab, and here we need to click change icon option. For example, I will select this one icon and then I click OK. Then I click apply and again I click OK button. Now this shortcut will be ready to use, and if you will click double time on this shortcut, your PC should be turned off. It's all for today. If I helped you, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to help me and buy me coffee from link in description.